Again, welcome all of you to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors. Today we'll be going to discuss with you regarding the duties of LDC again, because due to some problems I need to delete the previous one. You can understand that. So today I am again back for all of you to discuss again the duties of LDC in details. So that will be presented by me, that's educator Shovik Moitro. Now without doing any further delay, let's proceed. Before beginning, let's have a look at my achievement section. Like, I have cleared banking exams and also SC exams, and I am here for you to guide you so that you can grab a job at the earliest. Now if you are a new viewer, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like and share this with your friends as much as possible. Especially share this with those friends who are currently preparing for SSC skill test exam. That is, I am talking regarding SSC CHSL 2018 candidates, those who have cleared the descriptive test. And another important announcement for you, like if you are going to subscribe for Unacademy's plus option courses, you can definitely do so. And if you want to grab attractive discount, then please use my code PLUSR4SVE. If you use this code, then you will be getting awesome discount on any Unacademy plus option courses, any category, be it UPSC, be it banking, be it railways, everywhere you will be getting this flat discount. And you can use your Unacademy learning credits to avail extra discount. So let's discuss the exact duties of lower division clerk. What kind of duties can be assigned to you? Let's see them in details, or at least I must give you an overview of what you will do when you join the services of as a lower division clerk. Let's see over here. First of all, you need to type your letters in connection with the supply of photocopies of patents, connected pro forma invoice, calculation sheet. These things you can do. Now next day you can be given such tasks like typing of day-to-day administrative matters, administrative works you can understand. Nextly, like typing letters connected with issue of search reports, typing of seminar and training materials whenever required, you need to do it. Nextly, coming to, obviously you need to do, since you will belong to an accounts office, you need to do typing work related to annual budget. Nextly, performance budget, annual plan estimate, all these things will come under your duty. Nextly, like typing of monthly reports, quarterly reports, annual report, half yearly report, project report, it will be recorded periodically, like maybe quarterly or bi-monthly, just like RBI's bi-monthly monetary policies. Nextly, maintenance of cash, although it's not used nowadays, but still maintenance of cash entrusted with one lower division clerk by granting special pay for full-time work and preparation of permanent advance bills and pay bills, apart from telephone bills, rent bills, electricity bills. All these works may be entrusted upon you. Apart from this, as I already said, like diaries and dispatch work entrusted with one LDC for full-time work will be given with maintenance of stamp account. Maintenance of service stamp I have already told to you. Next, coming to other works, like any other duties may be assigned to you by your controlling officer, that is the concerned supervisory officers in consultation with head of office. Okay, so these tasks may be entrusted upon you. Still, the work profile is quite simple and is quite easy, take my words. Okay, now one thing may come to your mind, like, is this job profile hectic? Answer is absolutely not. Apart from doing all the tasks entrusted upon you, you will have got ample time in your hands to study what your colleagues are doing. I mean senior colleagues, like those who are holding the post of senior accountants and accountants. You can understand what type of tasks they are doing, you can learn from them, and it's important if you learn from them, because especially after going for 3 years of continuous service, you will be eligible to sit for the post of accountant, and if you clear the permanent exam, then you will land up in the job of accountant. And if you have done nothing in the 3 years and just have done the work of LDC, then it will be difficult for you to continue the job as accountant. So please learn from them as much as possible. It will be easier for you when you get your next promotion, that is of accountant. Another thing, there is good promotion scope, like after 3 years of service you will be eligible for the post of WO, that is assistant accounts officer. It's the group biggest officer post. You will be eligible for the same. It consists of 8 papers. The details of the syllabus and all will be uploaded in another video if I get enough audience. Okay, so there I will tell exactly the syllabus of OO, how to approach it, what kind of books will be required, everything will be told over there. But that will be obviously for the candidates who will be joining the service of LDC or as an accountant in CGA definitely, otherwise it's of no importance to them. So the conclusion, like this is after all a decent job with a worthy salary. Definitely the task will be assigned to you. According to it, the pay is exactly relevant, not much more, not much less. And I will advise you to take the job as an LDC only if you have got only if you want actually less work pressure in your life, and if you want to prepare for high studies, like if you want to prepare for MTech, maybe you want to prepare for MBA or high studies like MS or PhD, then you must go, or else any other tough exam, like if you are going to prepare for UPSC or any other state PCS exam, definitely you can take the job of LDC, because then you will get ample time in your hands to prepare for higher studies or maybe higher exam. So all the best to the candidates who will be appearing for SSC skill test and other exam obviously. And if you happen to like my lesson, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this with your friends as much as possible. And if you've got any query, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you the earliest, and I will reply within 24 hours as promised by me. So let's meet in the next lesson. Till the time, stay tuned. God bless you all.